Hey guys, welcome to MacTech. Today we'll be learning how to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. And now to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon. And over here, tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages. Tap on settings. And on this interface you can see the privacy option available for us just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the calls option available for us. Over here, guys, just below the live location, tap on calls, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the silence unknown callers option available for us, where it also says the calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will be still shown in calls tab and in a notification, and there is a toggle icon at the right side of it. Tap on it and it will be turned on or turned to green where it says silence unknown callers. And with that being done, guys, you will have silenced unknown callers in WhatsApp. You will still get the notification, but they're silenced. And so, guys, this is how to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.